Hello, today we'll be starting with the first lecture on basics of Python. For this, you will need to have Python installed on your device, which you can easily install using Google. If you face problems while doing so, put it in the comment section and I will post a video on how you can install Python in your computer. Now, for this video, I will be using idle as I'm using Mac. You can use Python console if you are using a Windows PC. So let's get started. So we will be starting with a code every coder starts, that is printing hello world. Unlike other languages, Python is very easy and without any complex code you can just write print hello world, press enter, and it executes the code for you, that is hello world. You can even eliminate this print command. You can directly write hello world and just press enter and it executes for you. So that's for our first lecture. If you like the video, subscribe and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.